Welcome to another outdoors adventure. Worldwide subtitles are available. 4K quality video available. See the full content and much more on my official channel at Carina Brasilians. I love stepping on the sand. It's so relaxing. The reflection of the sky and the water on the ground is incredible. I always stop to look at the river that flows into the sea. Hi, little vulture friends. There's a lot of life in this river. The water is a little muddy today. Lucky for this school of fish, I didn't come fishing today. They would make great live bait. My suitcase is too heavy and hurting me. Better carry it like this. This is a good place to stay. I always bring a blanket to sit on. Sitting with just my feet in the sand is comforting. I need to prepare my board. Scraping off the wax is always the first step. Of course, I forgot to clean the straightener the last time I used it. A fresh wax for this beautiful day. Always comb it to make everything uniform. Whenever it's cold, I wear my Roxy long john. It protects me and keeps me warm. I'm very happy with that. Let's have some fun. But don't forget to stretch. Arms first. Now the legs. Balance is always important. Let me check the water temperature. Now let's go for real this time. Sliding over water is a wonderful feeling. I know I still have a lot to train. Speed is very important. I must run more. Jump, jump, jump. I'm going to warm up a little more. Do you also play sports? Comment here. I want to know what the best sport is. I'm starting to feel tired. Falling is part of the fun. Get up and keep going and never give up. The weather is getting really cloudy. Another fall like that.
Hey guys!
This will be my last one for the day. Here I go.